Chase, Monday at 10 on NBC. It's not going to last against Hawaii Five-0, and I'll tell you why. This comes from Jerry Bruckheimer's camp. Yeah, that Jerry Bruckheimer, CSI, and all those offshoots. This is just basically the same type personality characters as you find on CSI, except they don't have the lab, and, well, it's just the procedural. That's it. Anything new here? Not really. It was boring, really. There was some excitement in it. I mean, the action scenes are very well done, but do I think it's going to last? It's anybody's guess. I mean, the public goes for anything these days. I could sit here and very easily say it's not going to last and be completely wrong. I mean, I know I have at least one friend that thinks it's going to be a breakout hit this year. But the numbers are very fickle. And the numbers against Hawaii Five-0 say, no, it's not going to last. It depends on how badly NBC wants it to be a hit. And that's all I have to say about that.